That's a weird button.
This is like the something Annabelle apartments or something. You're in Millbrae. San Francisco elevator. I like these buttons.
They replaced a swing door.
Ooh, re-level. What? What kind of buttons are these? C's or something? Whoa! Is this? You know, I almost wonder if this is a holeless. It's very unstable.
Rock back and forth though?
Yeah, I think this is a holeless hydro. Rope.
These are weird.
They look weird too. They're not California compliant. If you turn that, some allied universal people come infiltrate the building. And that'll be it.